Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. In this video, I will talk about the worksheet 3 for grade 8 science, and this worksheet will help you to do better in the exam 2023. So here's the question number 1. This question is about alkalis and acids. A. Write down the word equation for the reaction between sulfuric acid and magnesium. So this is the reaction between acid and metal. Magnesium is a metal. Whenever you react acid with metal, you will get two products. You will get salt and hydrogen gas. For salt, you have to look at the acid. If the acid is sulfuric acid, then the salt will be metal sulfate. If the acid is hydrochloric acid, then the salt will be metal chloride. If the acid is nitric acid, then the salt will be metal nitrate. So here the acid is sulfuric acid, so the salt will be sulfate. So you'll write in this way, sulfuric acid plus magnesium. Now the metal is magnesium, so the salt must be of magnesium. So you will write magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Part B, state the test and result for the gas produced in reaction A. So the gas is hydrogen. So the test is lighted splint. Lighted splint or matchstick. Result will be pops up or squeaky sound. Pops up or squeaky sound. Number C. List down any three characteristics of bases. This question is about bases. You have to list down any three characteristics of bases. So you can write any three of these, like bases have bitter taste. Bases are slippery. Slippery or soapy touch. Bases cancel out the effect of acids. Bases cancel out the effects of acids. Bases turn red litmus paper blue. Bases have pH between 7 to 14. Part D. What are acids? Name any two acids. Acids are substances that cancel out the effects of bases. Now in the question, they are asking you to name any two acids. I've already mentioned the name of some acids on top. You can write any two from these. Like you can have hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. If you want to know more acids name, then I can write. You have the acid which is used in vinegar. It's ethanoic acid. The other name for ethanoic acid is acetic acid. You have formic acid. And there are so many acids. You can write the acid, other acids name if you want. Part E. Write down the word equation for the reaction between potassium hydroxide and ammonium nitrate. Potassium hydroxide is a base. It's actually alkali, a class of base. And ammonium nitrate is ammonium salt. Whenever alkali is reacted with ammonium salt, you will get three products. Alkali plus ammonium salt. You will get salt plus ammonia plus water. For the salt, you have to look at the name of alkali. It will help you to predict the name of the salt. You will pick the name of the metal from the alkali. Here it's potassium hydroxide. And the salt will be of nitrates, written nitrate on right hand side of ammonium. So you will write potassium hydroxide plus ammonium nitrate. The salt will be very simple. So you will write potassium nitrate. This is the salt. The other products are common. That is ammonia and water. Next question. Define pH. What is the range of pH? pH is simply power of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen. That's it. Range of pH 0 to 40. State pH scale of water. It is 7. H. How acid rain is produced? List down any 4 effects of acid rain. Acid rain is produced when acid or acidic oxides mixes with rainwater. When acids or acidic oxides get mixed with rainwater. Now, effects of acid rain. You can write any 4 from these. Acid rain dissolve the metal structures. So I will write dissolve metal structures. Erode buildings. Deforestation or kill plants. Kill aquatic animals. Kill animals. Cause breathing problem, etc. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. Give comments. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.